So is that pitiful display the most you can do?
I'm standing here because Vegeta and the rest of my team trusted I could find a way to pull this off. I'll win because I refuse to let them down. I won't fail.
It's over. Trust provides nothing but a path to the grave.
Sacrificing myself to help other people. Look at me, being all human.
Goku! You've got this!
Fight!
Win! Dance for us, monkey.
Go, Dad! Come on, buddy.
It's up to you, Kakarot. Don't you fail to... What the...
Did you see that? He didn't just dodge Jiren's attacks, he landed a huge punch on his own!
Look at him. He's like a new fighter.